Our school currently has 2 active FTC teams, and we have had 4 teams in the past: 2866, 2867, 3090, and 7856. We started FTC in 2008 as teams 2866 Touring, 2867 Greedy Genius, and 3090 Spark X, though our team names have changed many times throughout the years. We are now 2866 Territory Static and 2867 Degrees of Freedom. Deciding on robot designs and building the robot, coding the robot, doing community service, and mentoring the elementary school team are all a part of what we do here. We get to meet a lot of teams from all around Missouri, Kansas. We go to 3 to 5 competitions where a dozen teams play 6 matches each. The total score of your top 10 matches from these competitions are used to determine your rankings in the qualifiers. The qualifiers is a big tournament where every team in the STL North League, which is over 30 teams, plays 6 more matches and then is ranked in order of their point total. The top 4 teams become alliance captains and can choose 2 other teams to pair with for the elimination round. The 4 alliances play best of 3 matches in the semifinals and finals bracket, and the captain team and first partner team for the winning alliance get to move on to regionals. 3 teams can also move on through getting an Inspire Award, which is won by having a good robot and good outreach. At regionals, all of the teams that will have won their qualifiers in Missouri, Kansas, play for a spot at the World Championship. The structure is the same as the qualifiers, except only 4 teams can move on instead of 5. These 4 teams get to go on to the World Championship, which is a massive yearly tournament in Houston, Texas, which involves hundreds of teams from across the world. It's basically the World Cup for robotics, and is one of the biggest robotics events in the world. Our team has made it to the World Championship twice before. We have been able to meet a lot of people. We get to talk to teams from around the world online through our FTC Discord and FTC subreddit and discuss the season's meta. Getting to see how other teams create their robots and how everyone adapts to the meta is really fun, and it's a really welcoming community. FTC is really good for preparing you for a job in robotics, engineering, computer science, or AI, since you get to learn a lot of important skills and get hands-on experience while in high school. Lots of colleges also highly value robotics, and some, like Maryville University, have scholarships specifically for people who took part in FIRST. And here's my Works Cited page. I hope we see you next year in robotics.